the reason why complicated yung petition is alangan naman pong hindi kami humingi ng TRO.
Eh, wala
Because
ngang TRO po eh.
because
Walang
opo.
TRO. So,
Yes, but we are
the
duty
way
bound,
is
Ma'am
clear
Ses,
for him to
to
be arrested. And if he, as a lawmaker, he should at least face the music and not go missing.
Ma'am
After
Ses,
voting, after casting his vote in the Senate, he disappears.
Ma'am Ses, I understand your passion, but it is still our legal
It's a
stand.
question po. It's a question,
And
and
even
we
our
expect more of our lawmakers. His
yes,
action is really compared to other legislators who surrendered even at the Senate, who faced the music and waited to be cleared by courts of law.
I invite you, ma'am,
Can't he do the same?
I invite you, ma'am, to imagine this scenario. No? For example po, just in case, i-declare po ng Supreme Court, and we are, as lawyers, we cannot do that, no? But we are just imagining na ma-declare nga na walang jurisdiction sa atin ang ICC. Pero,
Paano po
yes, but we
ma-declare?
don't know
Kailan
that
po
yet,
yung
right?
mangyayari?
Yes. No, but we don't know that yet. That because there's a difficult question of law. Because if this were settled, hindi na po hihingi ng Supreme Court ang comment ng OSG, di-decide na nila, no? Pero because nakabinbin po yung kaso na yan, let's just say the decision goes in that favor, no? In our favor. Pero nakuha po nila si Bato
In the
at dinala
meantime,
na
he
po.
goes his merry way in hiding. Why not do his duties in the Senate? Pinahiya
Yes,
po
because-
kayo eh. Kayong naiwan ditong nag-explain sa amin.
Yes, if well,
Hindi
it's
ba?
okay.
How do you feel
we
as
don't
a
mind.
lawyer for this person who is, I don't know where he is. You're
Well,
you're
we
still
can-
defending him.
That's the job of a lawyer, Ma'am Ses. Alangan naman po hindi ko siya i-defend.
Hindi,
But,
pero...
but kasi, di ba, parang, sige, tama na kayo kung gano'n. Hindi ko naman pwedeng
kung
sabihin.
nag-aantay siya ng magandang desisyon ng korte, eh bakit kailangan sa in the dark?
Yeah,
You
ma'am,
know?
because ma'am, this is the key phrase, no? Because there is a difficult question of law. This is not just a random phrase, no? This is jurisprudential, no? Because there is a difficult question of law. We all know, ma'am, bilang mga tao, bilang human beings, there are some gray areas in the law, no? Kuminsan po merong mga naa-arrest na unlawfully. Halimbawa po, yung gobyerno, isang linggo po nilang sinabi na wala pong NBI agent na mag-a-arrest kay Bato, wala silang intention. Yet, may mga pumasok doon, binugbog po yung isang sergeant at arms, nag-a-announce ng intention nila to arrest Bato. Tapos sinabi po ni Director Matibag, wala pong NBI doon, biglang meron po. So, because of this actions taken together, that's nagka-shooting pa, then there is reasonable grounds to believe on the part of my client that there might be an unlawful arrest in motion.
A
No, so
shooting
kung meron
that
pa
that actually may have been scripted by
no,
his
hindi po,
own
hindi po,
camp.
hindi po. Kung kasi po kung scripted po yun, ibig sabihin po kinausap nila yung NBI. Ibig sabihin po, in cahoots yung NBI para mag-drilling doon sa kabilang panig po ng Senate sa GSIS.
Anyway po, we're
So
talking
I
about
find
the
that,
actuations of the good of Senator Bato
yes,
de la
but for
Rosa.
them to stage that shooting, that means sila po yung kinausap nila yung driver na si Oragon para magpaputok, at yung mga NBI para mag-drill. I think we should be beyond that, no? Hindi po staged yon, at least not by our camp.
And attorney, has Senator Bato de la Rosa or kahit kayo po as his lawyer ever considered na mag-surrender na lang po siya sa ICC because some critics are pointing out that his actions are actually causing more harm than good. It could end up becoming unproductive, not just for him, but even for the case of former President Duterte before the ICC.
Yes, ma'am, if you were a relative, no, of Senator Bato or anyone similarly situated, no, and alam niyo po that pwede siyang ma-Duterte, no, pwede po siyang to languish in some faraway cell for under a court which we claim has no jurisdiction, no. Tapos eventually lumabas ko kunyari yung desisyon ng Supreme Court na wala ngang jurisdiction yung ICC sa atin. Ano po magagawa natin para po ibalik sila? It is an irreversible damage, no? Not just upon our client, but the sovereignty of the Philippines. Ang siguro po, sana po out of fairness, sana po tinatanong din natin, bakit hindi po kasuhan sa Pilipinas? Lahat po ng testigo nandito, lahat ng ebidensya nandito po. Bakit po hindi ba kasuhan dito instead of trying to short circuit?
Sino po ang gusto nyong tanungin namin out of fairness kung bakit hindi dito sa Pilipinas ilitisin ang kaso? Sino po ang gusto nyong tanungin namin?
Ang gobyerno po, ang gobyerno kasi po, this is the people of
It
the
has been
Philippines versus
tried.
Bato.
Even the former Justice Secretary himself, Boying Remulla, who's now ombudsman, he himself said, hindi po kaya ng gobyerno. This is why the victims have gone to the ICC for justice. Hindi ho kaya dito.
Bakit po? Nung isang araw po, meron
Bakit
kaming
po akong
na-receive.
tatanungin?
Hindi, meron po kaming
This
na-receive.
is their
na
own
sa-
statement.
Yes, ma'am.
And
We
precisely
received
why
the-
there is an ICC.
Yes.
I don't
No,
know why you are framing it as a diminution
not part of the ICC.
Philippine sovereignty.
We're
when
not a
this
part of
is,
the
we're
ICC,
talking
ma'am.
of the international community here. Hindi ho
Yes, we're
isang-
not part of the ICC, ma'am. I beg you to understand. We're not part of their own statute anymore. We withdrew, and that was affirmed in the Pangilinan versus Cayetano case. With all due respect, ma'am,
yes,
says, no?
but
And-
the
and,
crimes, may I say also,
ma'am.
attorney,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
the crimes indicated were before we withdrew from the Rome Statute.
Yes, but there is a very long discussion about continued cooperation. But it is not part of continued cooperation, no, to serve an ICC warrant. Kasi po, let's assume arguendo na nasa Rome Statute pa tayo, ma'am, ha? Let's assume, ha? Meron pong proseso sa Article 58 saka sa Article 59 ng Rome Statute kung paano po mag-serve ng warrant. At katulad po ng lahat ng batas, di ba may batas mo, no? Kunyari RA, merong IRR, yung implementing rules. Sa
Opo,
ICC meron
alam
din
ko
po.
po
Ma'am,
yun.
sandali lang. This is very important, ma'am. Meron pong batas na Rome Statute, meron din pong regulations of the court. And in the regulations of the court, 31 number 3, nakalagay po doon kung paano mag-serve ng ICC warrant, which they did not follow. And the key phrase there is personal service. Kailangan po may personal service upon the accused, which they did not do. What did they do? They brandished it on social media and on media without serving us. Humingi po si Senator Cayetano, humingi po kami bilang legal counsel.
Because
out
po
of
your
deference to the
client,
law.
and I'm sorry we're
We were
running
not
out of
served the
time, but
warrant.
I'd just like to point out, because he was running in the stairs and, even tripped. They were trying to serve the warrant on him.
No, they were not. They were not in possession of the warrant. Then they admitted that. In fact, Melvin Matibag said to Cayetano that we will give it to you, and then sabi niya, hindi, sa Tuesday na lang, and then next time na lang, and then next time na lang. They did not serve as a warrant.